Are you struggling with formatting text in SweetAlert? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge when trying to display strings with line breaks and proper alignment. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. You want your dialog box to look perfect, but instead, you're left with misaligned text and truncated spaces. It's frustrating when your hard work doesn't display as intended. But don't worry, we can fix this. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to display a large string in SweetAlert with line breaks and proper alignment. They provided a sample string, but found that the text was centered and the spacing was off. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's happening here? SweetAlert centers the text by default, which can lead to alignment issues, especially with strings that have varying lengths. We need to manually adjust the CSS to achieve the desired formatting. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to make your SweetAlert dialogs even more visually appealing. To format the text correctly in SweetAlert, the user should first ensure that they are using HTML for the dialog box content. This allows for better control over formatting. Next, the user should replace the line breaks in their string with HTML line breaks. This can be done by using the HTML tag for line breaks, which is BR. After that, the user can adjust the alignment and spacing by using CSS styles. This can be done by adding a style attribute to the dialog box. Finally, the user should test the dialog box to ensure that the text appears as expected. They can do this by triggering the SweetAlert dialog in their application. Fun fact, did you know that the first alert boxes in web browsers were just simple pop-ups? We've come a long way with libraries like SweetAlert that allow for much more customization. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using HTML for text formatting in SweetAlert. They create a variable containing HTML code to control alignment. The text is left aligned while the last line is centered. This user found that CSS didn't work for their needs, so they opted for HTML instead. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the new line character to create line breaks in your SweetAlert dialog box. This allows you to format your text with new lines as needed. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always test your SweetAlert dialogs with different string lengths to ensure they look good in all scenarios. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your SweetAlert dialog should now display text with proper alignment and line breaks. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.